Hello students, today in this lecture I am going to explain you how will you plot the graph in optics experiments. So here there is a experiment of 2019. The same experiment has been asked in 2014 also. This is the question paper of that experiment. So if you see in the question paper, here it is written that for u equals to 70 centimeter, firstly you have to determine the value of v, and then we have to repeat the same experiment for 60 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 40 centimeter and 30 centimeter, and we have to record the value of v up to 1 decimal place. After that, we have to record the values of y and x. Y is given u into v upon 100 and x is given u plus v upon 10, and record its value to up to 2 decimal places. So here if you see up to the point number 6, it is the experimental part. For different values of u, you have to determine v. Now from point number 7 onwards, this is the mathematical procedure. It's clear? And by doing that, you have to determine the focal length. Here it is focal length. So here I am showing you this experiment. These readings already I have recorded here. For different values of u, v is these are the values of v. This experiment already you have done, you must be having the values of v. It's clear? Then we will determine y and x. So y equals to u into v upon 100 and x equals to u plus v upon 10. If you see here it is clearly mentioned that this up to 2 decimal places. This you have to write up to 2 decimal places. The things which are given in the bold letters, you must follow those things. Here it is given 1 decimal place, means value of v you will write in 1 decimal place. Suppose it comes 20 centimeter. What will you write? 20.0 centimeter. It is clear? Here when you will calculate it, u into v upon 100, these are the values of y and this is the value of x. Now after this, here it is given, tabulate all 5 sets of values of u, v, y and x with their units. It means जहाँ पर ऐसा लिखा हो tabulate, it means जो टेबल बनानी है उनमें इन 4 के कॉलम्स होने चाहिए. It's clear? In every experiment, you read that experiment and what will be the observation table, how will you know? So you find out this sentence where it is written tabulate. So जो observation table है उनमें ये 4 columns जरूर होने चाहिए and these things should be written with their units. For example, if you see y is u into v, centimeter into centimeter, that is centimeter square. X u plus v, that is centimeter plus centimeter, means it will be in centimeter. It's clear? Then out of these 5 observations, you have to show 1 observation to the visiting examiner. Then we will plot a graph of y versus x. It's clear? Y versus x means on the graph paper, along y axis y, along x axis x. If it is written x versus y, तब इसका मतलब क्या है, y एक्सिस के along x और x एक्सिस के along y. It's clear? But here it is written y versus x means along y axis you will plot y, along x axis it is x. Draw the line of best fit. What is the meaning of line of best fit? That I will tell you afterwards. Find its slope and then record the value of slope up to 3 significant figure and then f equals to s into 10. Now see here if you see in this experiment, intercept has not been asked. मतलब ये ऐसा कहीं कुछ नहीं पूछा गया है कि लिखा हो कि find the value of y when x equals to 0. और फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x व्हेन y इक्वल्स टू 0। इस तरीके की कोई भी सेंटेंस इसमें नहीं है, मतलब इंटरसेप्ट नहीं फाइंड आउट करना है। और जब इंटरसेप्ट नहीं फाइंड आउट करना है तो ओरिजिन को हम चेंज कर सकते हैं। बट सपोज इफ समवेयर इट इज रिटन find y when x equals to 0, then we will take the origin at 0, 0. We will take the origin at 0, 0. अगर ये ऐसा लिखा है, it's clear, then we take the origin at 0, 0. It's clear, but here intercept is not to be found, therefore we can change the origin. Now see here. So first of all, what will you can see here, this is the graph paper. This type of graph paper you will get in the examination. It's clear. Here on this graph paper there are how many boxes? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 boxes along x-axis and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 boxes along y-axis. It's clear. Means here it is 10 into 10 and each small division is of 2 mm. It is not of 1 mm. It is of 2 mm, that I am trying to show you. You can see here. Every division is of 2 mm here. It's clear. So you can see here. Here, wait for a minute. Since there is a very small space in this side, so we can write in the same side here. Now what will you do? You will change the origin. Origin you will not take 0, 0 because here it is given that here intercept is not to be found. Intercept नहीं निकालना है. Therefore we can change the origin. And how will you choose the scale? You will select the scale in both the sides in such a way that the values of x and y are covered. Here value of y begins from 8.9 to 6.03 to 8.92. So you can take from 6 to 9. मतलब 6 से 9 तक तुमको मिलना चाहिए. So if you take this as 6, and one more thing, in plotting of the graph paper, about 75%, 3/4 portion graph should be covered. So you can take 6 here, then you take 7 here, 8 here and 9 here. It's clear. You can expand more, but in that case there will be 30 division and 1/30 is non-terminating. So you take 6 here, then 7 here, 8 here, 9, 10. This is the value of x. Here you write x in centimeter. This. Now if you see the value of y, minimum value of y is 9 and maximum is 14. So here also in the same way you see whether it is coming or not. This you can take 9, 2, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, it will come. So you take here 9. This is 10. There is a very small space. So you see here 10. 11, 9 will be here. This will be 9, then this is 10, then this is 11, this will be 12, 13 and it is 14. Now you find out the least count. What is the least count along x-axis and along y-axis? So you can see here there is the difference of 1 unit and there are how many divisions? 20. So value of each division will be 1/20, that is 0.05. What will be? It will be 0.05. Least count is here 0.05. On y-axis it is also same. This is 10 and this is 11. What is the difference of unit? 1. And divisions are 20. 1 upon 20, that is 0.05. Means one small division in both the sides is 0.05. Now see here, how will you plot? So on x-axis you have to plot 6.03. 6.03 you cannot plot, either you can plot 6 or you can plot 6.05. So here we will plot 6.05. 6.05 कहाँ पर होगा? यहाँ तक 6 है, हमको 0.05 और चाहिए, मीन्स 1 डिवीजन ahead of 6. Here corresponding to 9.09. This is nearly 9.1. 9.1. It's clear? So 9.10 means 9 के आगे 2 divisions. So 9 is this point is 9. You take 2 divisions here. It's clear? So इधर इसके सामने, इधर इसके सामने, means the point will be this. This will be the point. On the graph paper, everything you will do by pencil, by the sharp pencil. Here I am doing by pen. Now 6.41. So you can see here 6 तो यहाँ तक है, बचा कितना? 0.41. And what is the least count? 0.05. Means it is nearly 8 divisions. 6 के आगे 8 divisions. 6 के आगे 8 divisions means it will be this. It's clear? In front of this you will see. And y is 9.64. Means for 0.64 there will be how many divisions? Divide by the least count of y-axis. So 13 5 ja 65. 13 divisions. So you can see here it is 9. 9 के आगे 13 divisions. 10 divisions ये and 3 more, means it is this. So which will be the point? You can see here point will be, it will be the point. Point will be this. Then we can see 7.15. 7.15 means 7 के आगे 0.15 और 0.15 के लिए 0.15 divided by 0.05 means 3 divisions. 7 के आगे 3 divisions. It's clear? And here on y-axis 10.75 means 10 के आगे 15 divisions. 10 के आगे 15 divisions. So 10 is this and 15 more divisions. So see here 10, then 10 and then 15 more divisions. This will be the point. Then 8.01. 8.01 means simply 8. Simply 8. And here 12.06 means 12.05. That is 12 के आगे 1 division. After 12 there is 1 division, means this point. Then 8.92. 8.92 means 8 के आगे 0.92. 0.92. For 0.92 how many divisions? 18 divisions. You will take how many divisions? 18 divisions. So 8 के आगे 18 divisions means this. And here 13.45. That is 0.45 upon 0.05, that is 9 divisions. 13 के आगे 9 divisions. So you can see here 13 is this and 9 more divisions means this. Now after this you will draw the best fit line. Best fit line means the line which passes through the maximum number of plotted points. The line which passes through the maximum number of plotted points. It's clear? Maximum number of plotted points. So how will you do this? So you take a transparent scale like this, because if you take 6 inches scale, that will not be good. So you adjust the scale in such a way that it passes through maximum number of plotted points. So here nearly all the points are passing through the plotted points are lying on this line. It's clear. This is the best fit line. After that, what will you do? You will encircle the points which you have plotted. This is. These are the plotted points, 5 plotted points. This should be shown clearly. Now, after this, we will select 2 points, and by using those points, we will find out the slope. So, see here, and these points, the points which you will use for slope, they should be other than these 5 points, and they should be farther spaced. So, one point I have taken this. What is the value? You can see here, if you see. If you see here, this is 6.5, and here there are how many divisions? 10, 15, 16. 16 5 ja 80, that is it is 9.8. 9.8. Then you take 1 point here. So, you can see here this is 8.5, and here it is how many divisions? 10, 15, 16, that is 12.8. 12.8. Now, we will determine the slope. So, slope is always found by using unknown points. So, here I am showing here on some other page. This is the experiment of 2019, and same experiment has been asked in 2014 perhaps. Yes. So, you can see here what will be the formula of the slope. So, slope equals to delta y upon delta x, means y axis की values का difference upon x axis. What is the difference here? It is 12.8 minus 9.8 divided by here 8.5 minus 6.5. So, when you will simplify, it will be 3.0, and here it is 2.0. So, if you see here, it is written determine the value of slope here. Here somewhere it is given. Record the value of slope up to 3 significant figures. 3 significant figures means total digits should be 3. But if you simplify, it is only 2 digits. So, what will you write? 1.50. It's clear. Now, what will be the unit of this? So, already you can see y is in centimeter square, x is in centimeter. It's clear. Here from the table you can see that y is given in the centimeter square upon centimeter. So, what will be the unit of slope? It is centimeter. Then you have to find the f. F equals to s into 10, correct up to 1 decimal place with proper unit. So, what will be f? S into 10, that is 1.5 into 10. 1.50 into 10, that is 15.0 centimeter. Correct up to 1 decimal place you will write. So, this way you will plot the graph. I hope that you have understood this.